everyone, welcome to my channel. I will demonstrate how to install the BrainAtom app on Android phones using APK from different sources. Usually this procedure is quite general and intuitive. We are trying to compatible with different Android versions on different Android phones, so we have to come up with our own method. Okay, let's start it. As you can see the diagram, there are two methods you can install the app. The first method is intuitive and direct. You could go to the website of BrainAtom or GitHub or BrainAtom to download the latest version of APK. Then you install the APK directly. There will be a warning if you are using Android 12+. In case of you encounter this kind of warning, you could choose to ignore it and install anyway. The second version is a little bit complex. You go to a website of BrainAtom or GitHub and download the base version of APK and the latest version of APK. Then you install the base version first. After you have successfully installed the base version, you could start to install the latest version in update mode. Then you will have no warning and you could start to use the app.